welcome back, and today we have our fidget toys in a box, and there's names here which is for our squishies, like Peppa Zoo name Lizzie, I guess. This one, let's go see the name. This is the popping fidgets. Milky, nice. Milky is the name, nice. This one, Papa Zoo. Again, but it doesn't have a real name, so I think it's Papa Zoo, I guess. And then we're going to start with the popping fidgets. The popping fidgets are everywhere, like seriously everywhere. These ones are not the popping fidgets, so we might have to put this back. And this is the popping fidgets, where we all share. Come on, let's go. So of course, our first popping fidget would be a poppet. Oh no. There. Of course, a poppet would pop. Let's go. Wow, that is really great. It's so nice. For all the haters thinking we don't have any fidgets, please don't hate on me, and don't think I don't have any fidgets. You must have to know this. So guys, this is the poppet, and you guys don't forget what a popping fidget really is. Of course, we have a dimple. We just ordered it in a place. Oh, we didn't order it, but we got to. Come on, let's go. Here is one fidget we kind of make, and here's the realest dimple. Oh my goodness, the dimple's gone. Oh, here it is. It's a real dimple, guys. It's so metal. It's not metal, but it's kind of wood. Is it cool, guys? I know it's cool. And then we also have a homemade simple dimple and a dimple fidget. We also have this, so cute. You just pop the seeds out in the back. There's no color in the back, there's no color in the front. Because you try harder for all our fidgets. Oh, and this little strawberry, and you're just gonna pop it. Just gonna pop it like pop. Pop, just pop it. Just pop this. And the non-popping fidgets, that's where it gets a bit kind of nice. But the popping fidgets are really nice. Here it is. And yup, the popping fidgets are seriously the best. We also have a squishy. All the things here are homemade and stuff. Except this one, because I just found it and it was like a mochi or squishy. This is like a stress ball. A stress ball with this. They're both stress balls. This one's a ASMR pod. Just pop this one out. And this one, a squishy. Of course it doesn't pop. Because it will only squish. This one's a tangle. Of course it wouldn't pop. We have so many tangles. This one too. This one. Oh yep, and this paint squishy. Look at the little eyes. It's blushing. What did you do? Just kidding. And those are only for it. Okay? It looks so cool. That